Are you struggling to lose weight? I was just like you too until I started the keto diet, a powerful tool for quick weight loss. I'm a normal human being who wants to enjoy delicious foods too. Imagine if you can shedding pounds effortlessly while still enjoying delicious foods. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that forces your body into a state of ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. First, eliminate high-carb foods like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks from your diet. Next, focus on eating foods rich in healthy fats, protein, and low-carb vegetables. Examples of healthy fats include avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Protein sources can be found in meat, fish, and eggs, which will help keep you feeling full. Incorporate low-carb vegetables, such as broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower, into your meals. Remember to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated during your keto journey. To maximize weight loss, limit your daily carb intake to 20 to 50 grams. Track your carbohydrate consumption using apps or a food diary to stay on course. Be aware of hidden sugars and carbs in sauces, dressings, and processed foods. Prepare your meals in advance to avoid impulse eating and stay on track. Don't be afraid to experiment with keto-friendly recipes and snacks to keep things interesting. Meal prep can save you time and ensure you have healthy options readily available. Although it may seem challenging at first, the benefits of the keto diet are worth it. Not only will you lose weight, but you'll also experience increased energy and mental clarity. Remember to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet. Stay motivated by setting goals and tracking your progress along the way. Surround yourself with a support system to help you stay accountable and motivated. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to enhance weight loss and overall well-being. Monitor your body's response and adjust your keto diet as needed for optimal results. Most importantly, celebrate your achievements, no matter how big or small. Now that you understand the basics of the keto diet, it's time to take action. Click the link in the description to access our customized keto diet plan and start your weight loss journey today. Remember, success is just one keto meal away. If you enjoyed this video, kindly tap the subscribe button to show your support, and I'll continue to bring you more content like this in the future.